Forensic Science ta khumang tawsilakpagi khudam ama oina Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal na Virtopsy Center hangdokpa India ge hospital singi manungda Shuba Oire AIMS amadi nei RIMS ki mathangda RIMS Imphal da ngasi RIMS ke Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana Virtopsy Center amadi cold room sangakre Department of Forensic Science and Toxicology RIMS Sinduna Department asige anauba nauna saba loiraba building da pangthokpa thoram aduda RIMS ke Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjib Singh amadi Forensic Medicine and Toxicology RIMS ke Head Professor TH Mira na chingbana maruoiba miyoy singoina sarukyakhi Thauranga mari lainana RIMS Imphal ge Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana hai virtual autopsy samna Virtopsy Hairi machine shina postmortem amadi investigation 3D reconstruction technology ke Khudongchaba fanglagani masina forensic medicine da research tawbada hena khumang choksil halagani haiki loina ngasi sangariba cold storage asina karigumba investigation ki damak evidence ki mathau tarakpada mateng oiragani haina phongdoki.
Talking about the Virtopsy, let me tell you, it is like just as a living body. We can do a scan in a minute or two. Then this will be transferred to the main software site. Then we can see we have a surface scan. Then we can see what is inside the head and neck and chest and abdomen. And particularly very useful when we have a case like a very road traffic accident, for example. So clear cut, you have a skull fracture, you have a subarachnoid hemorrhage, or any fracture of a bone. Then we have a 3D reconstruction where you can even visualize in a very fantastic way, much more than what we normally see in a city. So I think this will further enhance how we can further study. So it's not only about doing that autopsy, but also this will enhance the future research on forensic medicine in many ways. And then we also mentioned like one of the other very useful one is a bullet injury case, for example. With this particular facility, we can even make the track visible. So there is one of the importance of virtual autopsy.